Hi, welcome back. So after the GSXR passed its MOT, not only once did it break down, or twice did it break down, but 3 times it broke down. So if you watched the last video, you'd have seen how that all turned out, but we did get it home, which is good. So what I'm going to do today is we are going to, if I can find it, wherever I've put it, we've got the new fuel pump. So we'll swap that out today and hope and pray that that is the cause of the issues. I'll get the bike out the front though, because it's a nice day and don't really want to be stuck in the gloomy garage. So I haven't quite got the lighting in here, so we'll put the bike out there, get a bit of sun today, and yeah, pull this pump out and crack on with it. We'll go for a little ride later as well. Just noticed something different with the plugs. They're the same shape, but inside them, try and get them together. You've got 3 pins in there and 4 pins in that one. So hopefully this does still work. Also, I wanted to show you these, because this pump looks very similar, but not quite the same as this one. So do we think this is an original, or someone's just thought, oh well, that fits, we'll put that in, and this one is the proper one? Well, I guess we're yet to find out with that one, aren't we? Now the pump's fitted, I'm going to head off and get some fresh fuel, because I don't want to be putting crap fuel in it now with that new pump. So I'll go off, get some fuel, refill it, and then we'll give it a start. So I'm back now and I'm going to get it refueled and we'll see if she starts. So the result is it's definitely not that fuel pump, because I've just turned it off and on again, and I have got the dreaded check light. So one of these sensors somewhere is going to have to be replaced. I mean, This is just getting, it's starting to wind me up. Any help would be appreciated, it really would. Right, let's turn it off and on again, see what it does. And there it goes again. What the hell can that be? And we'll get the check light again on that one. So no, I'm really annoyed I didn't get that on film then. I was just pulling this relay out and the fuel pump went. So I'm going to swap that out again for another one and we'll see what that does. Here we have one new relay. I can't believe that just fired up when I went to move that cable. I'm now wondering if it's the cables that go into the back of that box for the new relay, or is it those pins in there? They look all right. They don't look that bad. But let's get this new one on. I'll push that on. We'll see what it does. So with that new one on, let's see what it does. That felt a little bit delayed to me, but seems to be working now. Honestly, this bike, that's working every time now. So faulty relay, I guess the only way we're going to find out is by going out on a ride and yeah, seeing if something goes wrong, I guess, again. I just want to say thanks for watching, and if you're enjoying the GSXR journey, then, you know, leave us a thumbs up or give us a little comment if you know what's going on with the bike. That would be appreciated. I'm going to do an update video of the GSXR on the ride out. Let's hope that it doesn't break down 3 times like it did on the way back from the MOT station. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, be much appreciated, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys.